50% of the world's population has periods, and all those who have periods also go through menopause, which means 50% of the population. Globally, around 1.1 billion women are expected to be postmenopausal by 2025. In India, around 150 million women are over the age of 45 and will undergo menopause. These are huge numbers. फिर भी लोग menopause के बारे में बात नहीं करते. A lot of women also look at menopause as a loss of femininity. And your perception towards menopause can actually influence your symptoms. A study found that 54% of women held a negative attitude towards menopause, and they also experienced more severe symptoms of menopause. Now, menopause is not a disease. It's not a failure of your body. It's a natural phase, or just like puberty. Then why is it still such a taboo? Namaste. I'm Dr. Ameya Kanakia, gynecologist and menopause specialist. And today, let's talk about a topic that's long overdue, menopause. और अगर you are struggling with menopausal symptoms, hit that subscribe button. I simplify women's health for you so that you can take charge of your own well-being. First of all, what exactly is menopause? Now, menopause is defined as a time when you stop your periods forever. So it's permanent stopping of your periods. And it is when your periods stop and you don't have your periods for 12 consecutive months that we say that you have reached your menopause. ये कब होता है? It usually happens between the ages of 45 to 55. The average global age for women to have menopause is around 48 to 51 years of age. But a study done by the Indian Menopause Society showed that Indian women get their menopause at an average age of 46 years, which is earlier than their Western counterparts. Also, women today are living longer. Jabki we expected to live up to the age of 50 or so a few decades ago, life expectancy today has gone up even up to 100 years. And so if you do the maths, it means that 1/3 of a woman's life is spent in the postmenopausal phase. A survey done on social media showed that over 80% of women under 40 have little to no knowledge about menopause. And over 60% only began seeking information after experiencing symptoms of menopause. Because no one spoke to them about it. No one ever educated them about it. Menopause has always been under-discussed, under-diagnosed and under-supported. Now, periods का बंद होना menopause है, but कहानी वहाँ खत्म नहीं होती है. It's not just a time that signifies an end to your reproductive life. It also comes with a lot of physical and emotional issues and a lot of physical and emotional changes. It brings along with it hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, sleep issues, vaginal dryness, memory issues, mood issues, joint pains, fatigue, loss of libido. And many women still think that ये तो normal है, सहना ही पड़ेगा. And so, only about 40 to 45% of women actually seek help for menopause symptoms. And even from those who seek help, only about 10% actually receive the kind of care that they want for their menopausal issues. But suffering in silence is not normal. And yet women keep suffering. Why? Because we are not talking about it enough. Things do need to change. How can we change them? Let's normalize menopause by educating women. Educating women that menopause is not the end, it's a transition, and a transition that can be managed really well. Training doctors to ask the right questions. So many times women don't speak up about their urinary issues or vaginal dryness unless and until we ask them leading questions. We need to encourage conversations not just with the doctors but also at home, at work, and also among friends. Let's also encourage workplace policies that support midlife women who are going to go through menopause. We need to create a safe space both online and offline. Because menopause की बात करना शर्म की बात नहीं है, जरूरी बात है. Menopause is a natural biological transition. It's a phase and not a personal failure. It doesn't mean that you're no longer useful, no longer smart, beautiful, or important. In fact, it gives you a wisdom that only age can give you. It simply means that your body is shifting and you deserve support, care and dignity. तो चलिए मेनोपॉज को नॉर्मल बनाते हैं अपनी माँ, बहन, दोस्त या खुद के लिए. Let's start the conversation. Let me know in the comments, did you or someone you know suffer silently through menopause? Like this video if you believe menopause should be normalized. Subscribe to my channel for more honest doctor-backed information on women's health. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. It might change her life.